My new cilantro lime pasta salad recipe is a must-try this barbecue season with an amazing cilantro lime dressing. Cook up your favorite pasta and let's get started. To the pasta we'll add onions, celery, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, and corn. Set it aside, and then for the dressing we'll place an entire bunch of cilantro with the stems in the blender, and we'll add to it the juice of 3 limes. I'll also add some olive oil and some amazing tagine seasoning. A few dashes of that will do, and then place the lid and start blending everything together. Make sure that all of the cilantro gets blended into the lime juice. It doesn't have to be very smooth for the moment because we'll add some Greek yogurt and an entire avocado. Place the jar back on the blender and then blend until smooth. If a little too thick, you can add a little bit of water. When ready, pour about half of it on the salad to start and then fold it in to cover all the ingredients, and if I want to add more, then I'll do so after. Garnish with some more lime juice and cilantro and you're ready to enjoy this amazing and refreshing pasta salad. Hope you enjoy and find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.